Hello, I'm Danny A. I'm going to tell you how to take customer's order, then do planning and purchase the material, manufacture the components, manufacture the end products, and ship the products to the customers. First, I'm going to tell you our products. Our products are shoes, white shoes, the end products, and white shoe element set and white face are components, and the raw material include midsole and outsole. The white shoes are manufactured as well as white shoe element sets, and the raw materials are purchased. Since white shoe and white shoes elements are manufactured with BOM, now I am going to show BOM. Our BOM includes end products, white shoe, and material data include one white shoe element set and white face. As for the white shoe element set, the materials include one set of midsole and one set of outsole. First, I am going to check the plan execution results. We could see the plan execution inquiry by item. First, we enter the plan execution. We select plan execution ID. Then we can see all the items planning results for the last term. Now we can see currently we do not have any plan order for the product and components and the raw material. We do not have any plan order. It is because that all the inventory are larger than or equal to safety stock, and we do not have any sales order, do not have any demands currently. Of the demand quantity such as safety stock are allocated by the inventory. The old inventory is enough for the safety stock. Now we are going to take customer's order. We expect that when we take customer order, we will have shortage for the end products. Now the customer's order, suppose our customer is press number 1 and press type, enter type. Now go to the sales data. Suppose we are going to purchase white shoes for 20 pairs and the unit price is 10. Okay, this is our sales order. This is our sales order. The status is open. The sales order number is 46. Press confirm. Then we go to plan execution and select plan execution ID and click MPS and since the sales order is for the end product white shoe, so we are going to use MPS to calculate the requirement of white shoe to see if there is sales order. We click MPS, go back to inquiry, the results. This is the end product white shoes. Now we can see the sales order here is number 6 and demand quantity is 20. Since we have 200 on hand inventory which is used to allocate our safety stock, therefore we do not have to know the digit for sales order. We can check the planned order quantity to see. Now we have planned quantity 20 pair for our white shoe end products. Since MRP consists end products which had been released, the manufacturer order for the end product must be released, or the MRP system will not consider it. Okay, now we go to manufacturer to release work order for the end products. Currently, we do not have any end products. Click choose batch, add source and choose planned order. Planning execution item, click browse. Now you can see worksheet details. Click OK. Now we can see the work order open data. Now we can see the component data includes white face and white shoe element set. Okay, demand quantity is 20 and 40 because the quantity per is 1 and 2, therefore 20 boxes of white shoe includes that much of raw materials. This is a work order for the end products. Now we can go back to plan execution to see if there is any requirements for the component and raw material. Click MRP to calculate the requirements for the components and the raw materials. We check the results. We go back to this program to check the result for the component. We can see now planned quantity 20 for white shoes set. Now we can see work order number 7 generates the demand quantity 20 and which is not satisfied. Therefore, we have planned order 20 pieces. Now we can check the other components. White face, we see planned order quantity is number 40. As for the raw material, we have seen planned order quantity 20. Our sole, we have planned order quantity 20, which are correct. Now we can see the MRP system generates the planned order for all the components and raw materials. Now we are going to purchase the raw material first, then produce the component. We go to purchase requisition and click OK, and we click choose planned order and our planning execution, this one. we have the purchase requisition for midsole and outsole. The raw materials are going to be purchased. Now we click OK. Now we have purchase requisition number 34. Now we click confirm to change the status to confirm. Now we can release the purchase order. We go to purchase order and we choose the sole and purchase requisition and select purchase requisition number 34 we just created. Click browse. Now we can see required are automatically created in the purchase requisition number. They are from purchase requisition number 34. Next, click direct pricing. Suppose we are going to price those materials. Since I select, go back to select the item and click pricing to display pricing. Suppose we are going to choose the pricing and we click our vendor and enter the new price and do the same thing for the other two. This material, select material, select vendor and enter the new price. Now click OK. Alright, we have a new purchase order now, number 35. This is PO, purchase order, and we confirm it. Confirm the purchase order. Alright, next we are going to receive materials when the suppliers are going to deliver the raw materials. Suppose the supplier deliver raw material. Okay, we select maybe. Okay, this is the old purchase document. Now we select our purchase order, which then purchase order number, which is this one, number 35. Now we have 3 items in the purchase order. We select the first one and click receipt. The quantity is 20. Suppose we receive all of them, that is 20, then click OK. Alright, we have 3 new received. We select all of them and click received. Alright, all the materials are now successfully received by our warehouse. Now we have to produce the components, white shoes, elements, set. We are going to produce them. Now we go to work order. In the work order, we choose the source from plan order. The previous one, this one number 70, this work order is for the end product white shoes. Now we are going to produce the component white shoe element set, so we also choose plan order. We click the plan execution ID. Okay, we have the white element set here. Now we are going to release them. Release plan order to create work order for white shoe element set. Click OK. Now we have work order for our white shoe element set. We click confirm to confirm this component for work order. Then we need to pick up the materials for this component work order. So we go to work pick up program and we select the data source for work order. Remember, our work order number is 71, which is confirmed. This one is for the elements. Okay, now the white shoe element set, the raw material include outsole and midsole, and the quantity is 20. So we are going to pick up the materials first. Click confirm, then click reserve to reserve the raw material successfully. Then we are going to issue the raw materials from warehouse to the production line. We click inventory issue. Now we have moved the raw materials to the production line to produce white shoe element set, the component. Suppose we have finished the white shoe element set. Now we are going to move the component back to the warehouse. We click work order number to select number 71. We see we have white shoe element set. Quantity is 20. We are going to receive 20 to the warehouse. Click OK. Alright, we have the currently finished the components of white shoe element set received, and click inventory received. Okay, we complete inventory receipt for 20 components. Now we have enough materials to produce the end product for shoes. Now we go back to the work order and we can see this work order for end products. We confirm it, confirm, and we are going to pick up the materials. So we come back to work pick. Alright, we choose work order. We remember the work order 70 is material for our end products for white shoes. Confirm it, and then we have to pick up, we are going to pick up 20 white shoe element set, which are just produced. We are going to produce white for we are going to produce 40 white shoes which are purchased. It is correct. So click reserve to reserve the quantity of materials we issue. Okay, we are going to finish the work order for end products. We are going to work inventory in and select work order, purchase work order number 70 and click browse and click OK. So we have received the end products. Now we click this button to receive the end products to the warehouse. Right, we have enough end products for the sales order. So we go to distribution to execute the shipping order to ship the end products to the customer. Again, we are going to choose the sales order. We have one sales order. We click browse. We see 20 white shoes purchased and shipping quantity. Click OK. Alright, this is the shipping order created. Now we confirm it because the status is open, so we confirm the shipping reserved products. We can check. We can also check inventory quantity. We can go to this program to check inventory quantity to see if we have reserved 20 boxes of white shoes and inventory quantity is 220 and the available quantity is 200. Alright, we go back to shipping order. We are going to ship to deliver the 20 pairs of shoes to the customers. Now it is shipped. Now we go back to on-hand inventory to check inventory. This is the old data to see what happens. We see the inventory quantity is reduced by 20 and reserve quantity appears and the available quantity equals inventory quantity. We have completed the whole cycle, but there is check work orders to see if they are closed. We click finish to see if everything is fine. All the molecules, quantity of the molecules, quantity of the components of equivalence, all the quantity consumed, produced. So we click finish to see everything is fine. Okay, we have to refresh this page first, then select work order, click finish. Alright, then close. This order is for component white shoe element set and this is for end product white shoe and click finish, which means all the numbers, all the quantity consumed produced are correct. So everything is all right. We have successfully formed taking customers order. We have demonstrated the sequence procedure from taking customer's order to deliver to shipment of customer order. Thank you very much.